is emergency priority system. It checks now any movement. Now I see if the ambulance comes, the light glows and I see the green light means green light. And when the ambulance will go, this light will go, the red light will go, and the traffic will continuously follow. Means if the ambulance is stuck in the traffic, it alerts people for the by the green sign.
Okay.
Which can save the patient's life.
Good. Actually, I couldn't see your full role. I saw your names, and then I think I had to move forward. I couldn't see the full opportunity. You understand? Go.
Come close.
Safety coaches by GPS and GMS.
Okay. Smart. What is
Smart
this?
Shield. Smart Shield.
Smart shield.
Smart Shield.
Shield. Okay. What is it?
Today I want to speak on a topic which is not just important but it is necessary and something that we see around us every day. Students are achieving great heights, being engineers, doctors, politicals, teachers, etc. But one thing is remaining same.
Safety.
That's their unsafe condition. In India has recorded almost 3.5 lakh cases till 2023, like rape, violence, etc. So we have invented this project. In this project, when victim feels unsafe, she will press the button and the location as well as message will send to her home.
So now this is connected to your
Mobile. And we can link 5 numbers like this message as well as location points. Message, please help me.
Yeah.
We can register our name.
And the location comes in the Google Maps.
Yes. And then we have developed one app which will show that demo app. So here she can.
How does it work? This you are attaching it to the cylinder? Yeah. So if there is a gas in the room, it is detecting. Oh. Yeah, no problem. You need to light or anything. Fine. But it's a good concept. Okay.
This is recognizes scanner with accident and speed detector. The man who underrated jet service vehicle or who another about they overspeed the bikes.
Yeah.
So there is accident. So there is the possibility of incident. To avoid such accident, we need
Okay.
What happens actually?
So
up to when we will not scan our driving license or our bike will not start. And
So
this
to
is
start the ignition, it
you
requires
get the license.
license.
Okay.
and this is accident detector. If accident happens, it will detect accident and send GPS location to the police station and hospital.
Okay.
And then they will come to save.
So, how do you propose to see? This is fine. This is the compulsorily everybody whoever wants to drive any vehicle. The first thing they need to do is that in the ignition to start itself, you are having this, right? So, if it scans, then you are collecting. How are you? I mean, are you linking it to already? See, usually driving license database is available with Like suppose I ask Maharashtra Transport Department will have all the licenses, registered licenses. So we'll say that it checks with it.
Yes.
Okay, it will check with it and say whether he is having a license or not. That's one thing. Or you should have something which will scan his license, something
Yes.
like that. It's something you can work it out. You can work out something for that. So fine. But how the accident is going to get detected? So where exactly it would be? This unit will be existing.
Ma'am, this will be.
Oh, it is on the bike.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if he does an accident, if this guy meets with an accident, okay.
If you need to get a vibration, then
Ah.
you need to give a call and message to the ambulance and police.
Okay.
Yes.
These circuit who are below 18 years
Correct.
do not have the license.
Correct. Yeah. So that's what. Okay, we can always say that this is being linked to that. We'll check.
Automatically.
Yeah.
If license is there, any license, driving license
Yes,
only,
correct.
so it will.
Allow you to start.
And ma'am, there is specific driving license
Ah.
on a one way.
Ah. Good. So this will be on budding scientist. Good. Really good. So have you understood all the concepts?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Good.
At your age, we were making bullock carts.
What is it? Or simple lever,
Yeah.
simple these things. But very, very nice. Okay. So that's how. Like you learn more about the electronics and everything. So this now has it generated some curiosity in you? Like you want to do something better, right? Like how can they were telling how to make it into a small thing. Their device they want to make it into a bangle kind of a thing. This should be very small kind of a thing. Unit, just attach it to the bike. Okay. Anyhow, the concept is very good. Really good problem. And only thing is, the main important lesson for you is, until 18 you don't drive bike. Correct? Huh? Whatever the project you have done is meant for your friends and children who are very young. Huh? You have to tell them, see, I have developed a project. Don't drive taking a father's scooter or mother's scooter. Don't go till you are 18 and you have a license. You should tell them.
Infrastructure, but they also pose risks for such as fires, gas leaks, or equipment failure, as it had happened in Uttarakhand in 2023, where the tunnel collapsed. And this chamber is inspired by these two accidents. In such emergencies, workers need to protect themselves. That's what exactly the chamber provides. The tunnel safety chamber is a specially designed refuge area built within tunnels. It has its own oxygen supply for breathable air. It is built with fire-resistant walls and doors. It is pressurized and airtight to block harmful gases, and it is a movable chamber. It has its own communication devices so the workers can stay contacted with the rescue teams. So the main reason of this chamber is to protect the lives of the workers and give them confidence that they have safe zone underground. Thank you. Now my friend Akshara will explain you the features and applications of this chamber.
Good morning, ma'am. As Akshara Rashma Kalra. Now these chambers are used in real life projects. These chambers are essential in metro tunnels, mining tunnels, and hydroelectric projects. For example, these chambers are placed at intervals so that the workers could easily get inside the chambers during the time of emergency. In mining, they are critical because there is the risk of gas explosions. Without these chambers, the workers would have no safe refuge underground areas. Beyond the placement, the tunnel safety chamber is also equipped with the tunnel safety chamber is also equipped with water bottles, food materials, and also monitoring system that trace the quality of air. Thank you.
So everything, it's a working model, and conceptual model, I can say. Very good. Okay. So good, you have thought of real world problem and try to come out with this kind of a solution. That's it. So the standard.
8.
Good. Good, sir. Bali.
Use detection system.
Absolutely, very important. Very, very relevant. Okay. But you are asking, no? AI. AI also does all this kind of things.
So in a day, many news are uploaded. Some are true and some are false. So we didn't know which one are true and
Yes.
which one are false.
Yes.
It is very hard to believe in any news.
Yes.
So they have made this app, Truth Guide, which tells us that which news is how much percent.
Oh, truth card, huh?
Yes.
Wow.
From
Ah.
YouTube, we have to copy any image. Copy. It has been copied now.
Fantastic.
So now here we have to paste. I have paste. Analyze now. We will analyze and detect that whether the news is real or 95% means that news is not real.
Oh, I want to ask you, your analysis. The analysis. Okay, have you written a code or something?
Yes,
Or-
code.
Huh? You have written, you have made some coding.
Yes.
So on what basis are you calling it in your code? What are the conditions which you have? Whether to say it was a code or it was a...
Ma'am, see, means that news is
I know this is the end product, right? I know like 95% it means it is correct. But
She wants to know
the
working behind it.
actually it studies the concept and the pattern of the news. Yes. And it predicts whether the news is true or false.
Okay. See, but for that, what I say is that there are certain criteria which you should have given, right? Criteria, what are the conditions which you have given for it to find if it is truth or false?
First, what is when we have given the link, first it identifies first is
Identify the link from which okay, suppose you might have said globally newspapers are there, but have you identified the set of newspapers saying that they give good news? Something like that. Like what I'm saying is your algorithm, whatever the coding which you like, algorithm will work on this, right? The algorithm has to actually search on some criteria. So given some criteria, right? To say whether it's truth or false. And one is it should be from a trusted source, correct? Something like that. Whether it is an individual who is coding, or it is some organization release, or it is an organization website, something like that. So all those things are taken care of it. Good. But this is a good project. It's very much needed. Why I'm saying this, like now what happens is this WhatsApp, something is shown. In fact, videos are made like AI generated videos, everything are there. So AI generated news are there. Looking into the news, the people will get thinking what has happened is really true. Now it comes to 27 days of holiday.
Yeah.
Government declared holiday. I am also very impressed with this.
Our project is solar powered smart air filtration umbrella. It is a personal air cleaning device and it is a electricity. It is a small solar panel, power of 10 light, fulfilled by an activated charcoal filter. Charcoal has millions of tiny pores. They trap VOC, birds, make harmful gases, meters of the top of the umbrella. It also measures temperature, humidity, pollution, equivalent date and time, and displays it on an LED display. And after closing the umbrella, it becomes long to shape, easy to carry and handle.
I like this project. I fully appreciate it. And we will charge by
This is our lab. The students keep working on it. We have one telescope also. And then here are 3D printer is also there.
physics also you have labs. That
We
regular.
got the maths one.
Maths is not, but physics and chemistry labs
This is
are
all.
there. So that children will get a hands-on and use things. That's it. In addition to this, this is an innovative lab. It's fantastic. Good. See, at least a few of your students got a chance.
Done. Thank you.